Okay guys, instead of actually no, scratch that. Not instead of the workout, but this is a bonus video. We're gonna go over your macros. And if you don't know what macros are, that's just slang. I don't even think that's slang. That's just what you say for proteins, carbs, and fats. So we're gonna do your protein, carbs, and fats, and I'm gonna show you how to equate them, or at least the averages. Check out this video, go get your pen and paper, and also grab a calculator, and you're gonna need your weight and your current body fat. Current weight, current body fat. So go grab that stuff, and then come right back. Okay guys, so on your macros, let me adjust that camera. Sorry, should have had that done. Today, when we're gonna go over your macros, we're gonna take it really slow, and I'm gonna show you how to equate your proteins, how you equate your carbohydrates, how you equate your fats, and we're gonna do in two different versions. One version you need to know is what happens if you're not working out and you live a very sedentary life and you don't need extra calories for your workout. The next one will be, what do you do with your calories? If you are working out, you need to recover, and not only recover, but build your body stronger than it was before. Because losing weight just by pushing your calories down and pushing your macros down actually puts the body into this kind of panic phase where, yeah, I'll lose the weight now, but you're telling me I've got to put this back on because this is really aggressive. And that's where most people fail in their diets, and they think they're just weak-willed, when in fact, their body's screaming bloody murder, give me more calories, you effing moron. So we're gonna teach you how not to do that. Okay, swing this around. Okay, we're gonna try to go over this. Okay, so first, we're just gonna do the proteins. So I'm gonna take my body weight. So we're gonna say, you know what, let's actually say body fat. So body fat, you need to know your body fat percentage. What is it? And once you figure out your body fat percent, oh, can you see that with that glare? So we have the total body fat. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to like any health food store, usually has a monitor for its customers. You might have to pay a few bucks, depending on how expensive their machine is gonna kinda dictate the price that they're gonna charge you. Sometimes they do it for free. But at any rate, find out your body fat percent. And then we're gonna minus our body fat percent, once you find out that number, from our total body weight. And then once we minus that, that's essentially the number you come up with when you minus body fat percent from your total body weight, tells you how many pounds of muscle you have. So for easy math, let's say I have 100 pounds of lean muscle mass. So LMM, lean muscle mass. 100 pounds of lean muscle mass. And now what I'm gonna do with this number, here's your protein. No matter how many pounds you end up with, like this is just a fictitious number. I made this person up. You are gonna have a different number, or maybe you do have 100, I don't know. So we're gonna take that 100 pounds and I'm gonna times it by 0.8. And that's my protein that I'm gonna give my body per pound of lean muscle mass. Let's switch that over. And this equals, so we take this equation, 100 pounds of muscle mass times 0.8 is going to equal 80 grams. That's kind of why we chose that. And this is our protein. So 80 grams of protein. That's my daily intake. And this is for inactive calories, by the way. So I know my inactive calories. Now, if I want to know active calories, it's super simple. Let's bend the camera down. We're gonna times that by, or I'm sorry, not times. Forget I said that. We're gonna plus 50% of those. So 50% of those grams we have to increase it by 50%. So half of 80 is gonna be 40, and 40 plus 80 is gonna give me 120. So my active is gonna be 120 grams of protein. So here's inactive. If I don't do anything, I don't exercise, I'm gonna do 80 grams of protein. If I am active, I'm gonna take that equation, come up with my protein, and I'm gonna plus 50%, which gives me 120 grams. Now again, for easy math, let's go ahead and divide this by 6. If I'm gonna eat 6 meals a day, then I'll divide that, and that's essentially, if you know your math, we're gonna do 20 grams. Oops, 20 grams of protein per meal. That 20 sucks. 20 grams of protein per meal if I eat 6 meals a day. What if I only eat 3 meals? And I'm gonna take my 120, divide it by 3. If I eat, oh, heaven forbid you eat more than 1 meal a day, then you would eat all 120 grams. Which